Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a little grocery haul. Kind of things that I need for the week. But I thought I would share with you, and I like to always share prices because I know all prices are different across the country, right? So I think it's fun to share the prices and kind of what my total was for everything in here. So I'm gonna lay all this out, get it ready, and I'm gonna show you what I got for this week. All right, so Pepper's gonna join the show and help us show you guys everything that we have. So I was completely out of potatoes. So I went ahead and got a 10-pound bag of russet, and I love yellow potatoes. So yeah, that one there, let me see how much. I think this is a 5-pound. It is 5 pounds. So for the russet potatoes, that was $5.19, and for the yellow potatoes it was $3.99. And I was completely out of onions. I was out of red and white onions. So the yellow onions, I guess is what you call it, really, those were $1.89, and then for the red ones they were $1.95. As you can see, this one has 5 and this one has 7 in a pack. So let me explain here. I have a lot of apples. I have the Gala apples. I have some Snapdragon apples. I have some Granny Smith green apples. I plan on making some homemade applesauce in my Instant Pot, and I'm going to share that recipe with you guys as well in another video. But that's why I have so many apples, is I'm going to go ahead and make some applesauce. But the pricing on this, it's not bad. The Gala apples here, these were $3.99 for this bag. And let's see if it has a size on it. 3 pounds of red Gala apples. All right. Then I have Granny Smith apples over here. Those are $3.99. And let's see what the size on this is. Also 3 pounds for those. And then the Snapdragons, it was $4.69 for that bag. And according to the scale, it does weigh 2 pounds, 2.62 pounds. So not bad. They're absolutely gorgeous though, right? And then moving over here to the peppers. And I had to go through all the peppers because not all of them have, they're kind of random. Like some might have had like 2 red, or they might have had like 1 big red one and 2 small yellow ones. It was so random, and I was like, I found one that actually had all of them about the same size, and I got one of each color, but it was $2.69 for this 3-pack here. And I am out of mushrooms, so here I went ahead and purchased 2 of these, 8 ounces each. They're just Baby Bellas. Those were $2.05 a piece. And then Brussels sprouts. I am on a Brussels sprout kick. Now, I'm going to check my pricing with Sam's Club because I usually get the real big bag at Sam's Club. These are each a pound bag. So I got 2 pounds, but for each of those bags there, it was $2.25. At the end of the video, I'm going to just kind of share with you what I pay for the big bag and what size it is at Sam's Club. I'm not sure if this is the better deal. Same with the mushrooms. I do like to get that big container at Sam's Club. All right, and then I needed some more black beans, and this is just great to put in my Instant Pot, but it's 2 pounds, so this is a big bag, you know, good size bag here. And that bag was $2.55. All right, and then green grapes. I am just on this grape kick. Actually, I love the cotton candy grapes, but I've noticed the last few times I've purchased them, you know, you pay so much more for them that they really didn't have like that strong cotton candy taste. It was more like a green grape. So I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to go ahead and get green grapes this week and save on the cost of that a little bit. This container here was $3.98. And as you can see, it is a 2-pound container. All right, and I also got 2 cans of diced tomatoes, fire roasted. These are really, really good. I'm gonna show you the ingredients just so you can see exactly what's in these. Always check your labels because sometimes with something like this, it might have oil in it. So this does not. The sodium is okay, you know, if you're watching your sodium, maybe it might be a little bit too high for that whole can especially. But anyways, that's what that looks like. And then I had to get some nutmeg because I will be putting this in my applesauce that I'm going to make. And these were actually on closeout for 99 cents. And I think some of their other spices are actually 99 cents, but it was in the holiday aisle. And during the holidays, they do tend to charge a little bit more for this kind of stuff, but this was on markdown for 99 cents. Okay, so coming back to the Brussels sprouts, like I said, I usually get the bag at Sam's Club, and I wanted to check online just to see if it was a savings, and I'm actually spending more purchasing those from Aldi. In the app for the 2-pound bag, which I purchased 2 bags, 1 pound each on these, but it's $4.12 versus I paid $2.25 a bag, which equals out to $4.50. So it's not that much more, but honestly, if I'm to be fair, I'm thinking the quality is a lot better at Sam's Club too. Just kind of looking at these, it doesn't look like I have much refrigerator time on these. Not looking at the expiration, but looking more at the vegetable itself. So, I mean, these are convenient because you can just pop that one bag into the microwave. But I always like to cook a bunch anyway, so yeah. Let me look at the prices on the mushrooms and see if I'm getting a good deal at Aldi or if it's better for me to just purchase at Sam's Club as well. Okay, so this is interesting. These mushrooms here, there's 8 ounces. I purchased 2 containers, as I had mentioned, and I paid $2.05 each for those. At Sam's Club, I can purchase essentially 3 of these because their large container is 24 ounces and it's $4.24. So it is much cheaper to still get those as well at Sam's Club. I don't know if any of you ever look at those prices like that, but I do kind of try to see where I'm getting the better deal. So I'm just going to continue to shop at Sam's Club for my mushrooms for sure and my Brussels sprouts. And I do believe that the quality of the mushrooms definitely a little bit better at Sam's Club versus at Aldi, but not bad. Potato wise, I know for sure with the potatoes and the onions that it is much more affordable at Aldi, and the quality I think is about the same. We recently had purchased actually a bag of russets from Sam's Club, and to be honest, like even my husband said, you know what, these have a lot of bruising on them, and I don't know, it just, the quality was okay, right? So anyways, I'd love to hear down in the comments below where you shop, where you get your good deals, right? Because you know, we're always trying to buy things kind of in bulk because we eat a lot. Like honestly, this whole bag of Brussels sprouts, this 1 pound bag, I could probably eat all these in one setting with like some rice or maybe even some potato wedges on the side, you know, something like that. But anyway, that is my haul. Now let me give you the total for today. So comment down below real quick, what do you think the total was? I give you all the prices. If you added it up, you would already know, but I'm gonna give you the total. So the total for everything before taxes is $45.88. Not too bad. This is all gonna last me quite a long time. For sure, definitely the whole week. The apples might last me a little bit longer. If my kids get into the grapes, they're gonna be gone pretty quick. And I just needed some more cans of those tomatoes. So those will just kind of be in my pantry. I was just trying to restock. And then, you know, yeah, so not too bad. I would say this is like a week's worth of food pretty much. So, Pepper, do you want to close us out?
Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe if you're new. And don't forget to smash that like button.
Thank you, Pepper. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.